Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. Alright, we got Lisa, When I'm With You, featuring Tyla. Now this song, iconic. I feel like out of all the songs at the moment from Lisa's album, you know, everybody has their own opinion about that album, but the Tyla one is so good. I do feel like first of all, Tyla is just a beauty. I feel like when I first saw the Tyla and Lisa post on Instagram of them like listening to their music or whatever, I was like, there has to be something there. They have to work on something. I mean, this is an opportunity to have Lisa and Tyla in one frame, and I'm gonna combust, I swear to God. Calm down, Dre. Calm down. Anyways, Lisa, Tyla. Also, if you guys want to see my Maroon 5 reaction, it's up on Patreon. Go check it out. This is probably going to be up on Patreon because it feels like the Lisa team doesn't like it when I react to it on YouTube. So go to my Patreon. It'll be up there for free. You can subscribe and, you know, help your boy out. You know, it's $1 to subscribe. But it will be up on Patreon for free. All you gotta do is become a free member. And yeah, without further ado, let's check it out. Be sure to check out the Patreon in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God. Oh, Bose. Oh, there was a pop-up event. I was curious. Are those okay, wait. Question. Does anybody have these like Bose headphones, and if they're actually good? Because I feel like these are good for working out. I don't know. To those who have it, please let me know. She looked good off the bat. That outfit right here, my goodness. Oof, and we got Tyla up in the build. It's hot out here. Take it slow. Damn. Damn. Bruh, I don't know. Bruh, I don't even know how you can handle these two in the same room. But my boy, I heard my boy Johnny, like Johnny Tran. If you guys don't follow him, better follow him. But he was in this music video. Could have been a good girl, but I won't be. I'ma turn one night to a whole week. Look at me now. I'm inside out. Let's go. I'ma let you control me. Okay. Give it to me good like you own me. All my pride goes out the window. Okay. I was gonna say okay, product placement, but goddamn, hold on, repeat. I am speechless right now. I do apologize. Okay, Lisa. Said you want to stick around, go figure. Everybody does. I'm what everybody wants. Me. I'm sorry. I just have to. I'm what everybody wants. God damn. Everybody sees. I want everybody scream to make everybody try. Wait, that's Johnny. That's Johnny right there, right here. Shout out to my boy Johnny. Wait, was that his arm right in the shot too? Everybody does. I'm what everybody wants. That could be Johnny's hand. You know, listen, first of all, this man right here is a mood. I'm sorry. This is like men. You know what I'm saying? But listen, it's Lisa. Everybody sees. I want everybody scream to make everybody jump. I make everybody scream. Oh, it is Johnny. I knew this, boy. I knew this. Hey, I be looking at that arm 24/7 every time I hang out with him. What everybody wants, everybody sees. I want everybody scream to make everybody jump. I make everybody scream. Tell me this ain't the best you ever seen. I can put you on the map and she can take you overseas. Quick trip. You could put me on the map and she could take you overseas. Wait, and I'm there for you, good girl. Out there, but I'm there. You elevate my space and my bed for you anyways. Any day I make. Hold up. Like it when you tell me what to do. Like it when you tell me. Girl, bruh, I need to get ripped so I could just have a chance at least just body rolling on me. Break the rules. I like that side of me when we get together. I'm way better when I'm with you. Oh, and he got Tyla. How you gonna survive that? When I'm with you.
Okay, post product placement. Okay, look like you got me out of my body. Yeah. When I'm with you. Hey, 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 hey. Hell yeah, look how you got me out of my body. Woo, woo. Oh, what's happening? Oh, she in the water. Oh, Tyla in the water too. I can't deal, y'all. I can't deal. Oh my goodness. Woo. Oh, the cat. Bruh, these two beauties in one frame. How can you survive? Ah, Tyla. Oh, the cat. Whew, my God. I don't know how you survived that. I don't know how you survived that too, Johnny, being there with those two queens. My God. Whew. All right, y'all. Put a comment down below what you guys think of Lisa When I'm With You Tyla music video. Did you enjoy it? Are you a fan of Tyla? Are you a fan of Lisa? Put it in the comments down below. Now, again, if you see this on YouTube and it's like being blocked by like some pictures just so I can like bypass, you know, like it being shown on YouTube, it might be on Patreon. If you want to see the full edit or the full unedited version, go check out my Patreon. It should be up for free for everybody. All you gotta do is become a follower, and if you're a member already, you'll be able to watch it first. All right, y'all. See you till next time. It's your boy Dre. I'll see you when I see you, or when I upload or I stream on Twitch, Patreon, YouTube, IG, Instagram, TikTok, anywhere. I'm everywhere, bitch. All right, peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Hey, yo, be sure to subscribe to my Patreon. You can either be a free member or subscribe for $1. Support your boy. Check out all the first listens over here. If any music video gets blocked, I'll be sure to upload it here for free. Just finished all of XO Kitty, waiting for season 3 though. We got a lot of stuff and a lot more coming, so come through, subscribe, and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.